Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we are going to be preparing this Gary's quick steak. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your steaks, a food thermometer, some tongs or a spatula, and a skillet or pan to heat them up in. Now this is a frozen item that should be kept frozen. However, if you have refrigerated it and it is already thawed, we're just gonna adjust the cooking time down a little bit and monitor our internal temperature. So let's go ahead and open up our package and get this ready to go. This does come with 3 of these individually packaged things of it, so I'm just gonna be preparing 1 package today. We're gonna go ahead and preheat our pan on medium-high. And while that's preheating, I'm just gonna go ahead and open up this package. Now that's still preheating up, but I do want to show you that these do break apart into 3 segments. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that so that way it's easier to heat up. All right, our pan is preheated, so we're going to go ahead and add our steaks. And we're going to let those cook for 30 seconds. Now that those are in there, we're going to go ahead and add our wow seasoning. They recommend adding the whole thing all at once, but I'm going to sprinkle about half on right now. And after we flip them, I'll put the other half. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, it has been 30 seconds and we're gonna go ahead and flip these over to the other side and add the rest of our seasoning. Now that that's on there, we're just gonna go ahead and let these just kind of sit for about a minute or so. And as we start to see it separate more, we're just gonna finesse it with our spatula or tongs until everything is separated out. Now that we've got this mostly separated out, it's been about 1 minute. We're looking for about a total cooking time of 2.5 minutes on here, or done to your liking as long as the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees or more. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep finessing these. It has been a total of 2.5 minutes cooking time since the time that we flipped the steaks over, and I have reached 165 degrees in a couple different spots, so we're gonna call this good. So here is our completed Gary's quick steak. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.